Dear customers, this video guide will instruct you about another pop-up that is presented as some survey. This pop-up is coming from this site, jerry.website, and it's presented as some survey by the Aldi shop, and it is promising you some gifts, some vouchers that amount to 500 euros or something else. Something similar to that, but the pop-up actually is not related to the Aldi store at all. It simply tries to collect your personal details through these fake surveys where you will be told to provide some of your personal data. Also, the pop-up tries to make you click the allow button, which then actually causes unwanted push notifications to start attacking your screen. So I recommend you not to share your personal information through these pop-ups. If you have actually noticed something suspicious with your browser, first of all, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and then if you see some suspicious extensions here in the list, be sure to deactivate them, and you may remove them if they're not familiar. I also suggest scanning your Mac and its safety with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. Get it on this site, combocleaner.com. Download the application and start scanning your Mac computer with it by clicking on the Start Combo Scan button. This software, Combo Cleaner Antivirus, works very well at detecting malware, so at the end of scan you will see the report with the location of each founded threat. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is the trial version or the premium version, the program will perform free scanning anyway, even with its trial mode. And the good thing about the trial mode of Combo Cleaner is that it lets you find the location of each specific threat. So when you are in the antivirus section, click on Review Results to see the detailed results and the location of each threat. So let's say that we have this very first threat identified. What we could do is to move the mouse next to it, and there will be a special button, Show in Finder. So now we will find this malicious program in Finder, and we may right-click on it and move it to the trash. In the same manner you may do with other infected items. Click on Show in Finder, then you will be able to see that specific threat in Finder and to remove it manually. Or of course you may perform the removal automatically with the premium version of the program.